All right, I hope everybody's ready for your part of our beach trip and all the things that we'll need and see while we are there. All right, so for this first thing we are spinning for is the actual beach. That would be the sky, the sand, the ocean. Not accessories, just where we're going to, what we're going to see, our scenery. So our backdrop for our painting. And let's see who's going to be painting that. That's going to be Teresa Crane. Alright, I'm going to write these down so I don't forget as I go. Alright, next we are going to spin for who is painting flip-flops, hat, and sunglasses. That's flip-flops, hat, and sunglasses. That's going to be Deborah Rose. Let's see, let's write her down here. Alright. Next we have our swimsuit. And since we are all ladies, let's have a ladies bathing suit, okay? Hey, we might be taking a date, so if you decide you want to man trunks too, you go right ahead. So it's going to be our swimsuit for our beach day, because we got to have that. And that is going to be Whitney. Alright, so Whitney will be painting our swimsuit, or suits. Okay, and I don't know about y'all, but I don't know if you've ever been to the beach, there's always seagulls. So we need a seagull, at least one seagull in our painting. Let's see who's doing that. That's going to be Tanya. Tanya's got the seagull. All right. Okay, so now we are going to spin for our umbrella and beach chair. Umbrella and beach chair. And that is going to be Christy. Alright, and then next, hey, we got to have something for our accessories. So our beach bag, let's have a beach bag and, towel, sunscreen, whatever goes in your beach bag. Let's get that. That's going to be Kat. Kat has got the, beach bag and towel and sunscreen. Alright, so I like to collect shells when I go to the beach. So who is painting our shells? Jeannie Clifton is going to be painting our shells. Alright. And another little critter that we might see at the beach is a little crab. So let's see, who's painting our crab? Dun, 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 dun. It's me! I will be doing the little crab. So, Jeannie T has the crab. Not crabs, but I'm going to paint a crab. Alright, and then, let's see what we got left. Let's see, who wants to paint our beach ball, our bucket, and shovel? So our beach toys, beach ball, bucket, and a shovel is going to be Kimberly Sminky. Smink girl. I mutilate your name all the time. So Kim's got that, the beach toys. Alright, and we're down to 2. So let's see what I've got here. I have hey, let's take a bike ride on the beach. And that's going to be Nicole has our bike. Alright, our last thing that I have on my list is a picnic basket. So let's take our lunch, and Deborah, Splash of Pink Deborah, has the picnic basket. That's Deborah Ridge. Alright, ladies, so that's our assignments. I hope that you are up for the challenge. Alright, ta-ta for now.